Exploring the ChuMaste Countertop Dishwasher reveals a product that is not only space-saving but also packed with versatile features ideal for modern, compact living. This dishwasher stands out with its portable design, measuring just over 18 inches in height, making it perfect for small apartments or homes without traditional dishwasher spaces. It's particularly appealing to those who may want to fit a dishwasher under most kitchen cabinets, as it's designed to be low profile at just 17.9 inches without the water tank lid. One of the key aspects of this dishwasher is its dual spray feature, which ensures thorough cleaning by using both upper and lower spray arms. This system delivers high temperature and high pressure water flow, effectively tackling stubborn stains and providing a deep clean. The design is engineered to prevent water leakage, a common concern with portable models, which adds an extra layer of reliability and peace of mind for users. Functionality extends beyond just dishwashing. This model is equipped to purify fruits and vegetables, removing pesticides and residues, which is a standout feature not commonly found in traditional dishwashers. This multifunctionality makes the ChuMaste dishwasher a versatile appliance that can support a healthier lifestyle by ensuring both your dishes and your food are thoroughly clean. Operating the dishwasher is straightforward, thanks to a user-friendly touchscreen interface that offers 5 different washing programs. This feature allows users to customize the washing process according to their needs, whether it's a quick rinse or a more intensive wash. The simplicity and intuitiveness of the controls make it accessible even to those who might not be tech-savvy. Furthermore, the ChuMaste dishwasher excels in its 3-in-1 functionality. It doesn't just wash dishes, it also includes a hot air drying mode, turning it into a dryer and storage cabinet that keeps dishes dry and odor-free after cleaning. This feature is particularly beneficial in preventing the growth of mold and bacteria on wet dishes left out to air dry. Portability is another significant advantage of this model. It supports 2 water supply modes. You can either manually fill the built-in 5-liter water tank or connect it directly to a faucet. This flexibility is excellent for users who might want to use the dishwasher in different settings or for those who prefer a simple setup without complicated plumbing. Overall, the ChuMaste Countertop Dishwasher is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize kitchen efficiency. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.